Hey everybody, this is Tony here in the kite shop. Just thought I would go over a few things here on these spin sock panels. This one here has already been hemmed, but I wanted to go over some of the markings that's on these panels and why they are on here. First of all, of course, top. This is the top of the panel. I don't have the bottom marked, but anyway. So as you sew this up and unroll your panels as they come out of your little packages, you're going to see a mark right here. This is what we call I call it, the offset mark. And I got this little diagram here. So how you assemble the spin sock is that you kind of line each, when you start sewing all your panels together, you line each panel up with the bottom of this. It's lined up with this offset. So you end up with this pattern here. So when you roll it all up together, you end up with a circular front end. So that's what this offset is. Okay, that's what that mark there, that's my offset mark. Okay, so we of course we hem all the way down to the end of the panel, and then all the way back up. Okay, now then we have another mark here. This mark here is 22 inches down. So when we start sewing our panels together, okay, this is where we will start sewing the panels together. So we'll butt a panel together. You know, there'll be a panel here, and this will get sewn together to it. So you'll have, you know, obviously two panels together. This will where that'll be sewn together. Your two panels together. Okay, so you're gonna start sewing the two panels together. Once again, this panel's already been hemmed. My FAF isn't sewing very well. Must be the bobbin. But anyway, okay. Then down further on the panel, you're going to see stop. It says stop right there. Okay. Then there's a mark up here and a mark there. Of course, when you're hemming, you just keep right on hemming, down and back up. But the stop marks are for once again, when we're sewing our panels together, okay? This is where you're going to stop sewing the panels together, because this is where our tails start, right here, okay? So you would stop sewing there, okay? Also, right here is when we're done sewing all of our panels together, is we're going to come back and put a small reinforcement piece here. It should be a Dacron. Small piece of Dacron here, just as a reinforcement. Okay, so that's what that piece there is. And let me see. Once again, that's how the, oh, can you see that good? It's hard to see. Once again, that's how you kind of finish off that tail end. You get down to about here, stop sewing, roll that up a couple times, come down here, sew it, sew down. But before you make that turn, flip this end over, then come down, sew it, and come on up. Okay, then come on down all the way down to this end. And finish your hem all the way up. Okay, then once again, here's another mark here that coincides with this mark here, because this is the bottom part of your vent. So this doesn't get sewn either. Okay, so that's kind of how you sew your panels, your hem, and just a couple different parts of the panel. Okay, so I've got one more panel to hem up. I've done all the others already. It's taken me about 20, 25 minutes for each panel to hem up. Some have taken a little longer. I'm watching the movie Midway right now, so it takes me a little longer. But yeah, I'd say about 20, 25 minutes to hem one panel. So yeah, okay. So everything's moving along pretty quick. So the next video I do should be me coming back to show how we start sewing the panels together. Okay, so where is my clicker? Where's my clicker at? There it is. Here's my clicker. All right, see you on the next video. Bye.